Jurassic Park. To Jurassic Park. He's got a crack in his neck.
The ultrasaurs in this review are among the largest creatures ever in the world. And despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
As long as you don't tell anybody about it. Oh no!
Awesome, Rainbow.
Rainbow! Hello, little one.
Hello.
Oh, there's a big one.
Plenty of vegetation from
Hopefully the tail doesn't get us.
Watch the tail, it's gonna hit us.
No! No! Okay, phew! Oh no! He's gonna spray you! He's gonna spray!
Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
Oh! Whoa! Something bumped my bum. Oh!
Their hollow cranial cavity.
You are entering
no.
the raptor containment area.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
There we go.
Here we go, loop-de-loop. Oh, they're fighting over a shirt.
Jimi Animal Control, the CP was fine. There's a tour bus off course in the raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there. Do you copy CP25? Grab the boat before they get too far. Come back, CP25.
Oh no!
Here we go.
There's a raptor in there. I'm supposed to be wearing a mask, aren't I?
Yes.
Uh-oh, I'm not wearing a mask. Look! Come on, the raptor! The raptor! There's another raptor right there! Oh no! No! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these guys.
Bye.